Sound Innovations number 187. In this piece, we are going to be mixing keys. Just means that your key signature is going to change. So if we look at this, we start at the beginning. Right here, it changes. We have two sharps at the beginning, F sharp and C sharp. At the end of the line, it changes to just one sharp, which means the second line is F sharp. This is kind of a little warning that right down here, it's going to change to just one sharp. Okay, at the end of the line, we change to two sharps again, which means the third line has two sharps. Okay, this also has what's called Dal Segno all coda or DS all coda. Okay, the way this works is when you get to the DS all coda at the end down here, you go back to the sign, not back to the beginning, just back to the sign. And then at the coda, you jump down to the coda. So let's see how that works. We start at the beginning. We play, 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 play. When we get right here, we go back to the sign, back to this note, the D. When we get to here at the coda, we jump down to the coda and play here. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, we'll play through it so that you see how that works. There's a couple other things that we need to talk about. We've got a flat going up to a natural, B flat to B natural, so your first finger is going to slide to do that. Okay, let's see. We also have dotted 8th and 16th, one E and A in our rhythm, so be aware of that. Remember this guy? Called a fermata, means we hold it longer than the value of the note. You would normally watch your conductor for a cutoff, or if you're playing on your own, you get to decide how long that's going to be. Okay, we're going to clap and count the rhythm. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, fermata, 4, and then it goes back to the beginning. Back to the sign. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and coda. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in the notes, there's a couple of things that we really should talk about. That B flat to B natural. Let me show you on an instrument. So I'm on the last line. In the end of the second measure, we have a B flat, B natural. So you just slide your first finger up to do that. So let's play just the last line so you can get an idea of how that goes. B flat, slide up. B flat again, slide up. And then we hold that fermata. Okay? Okay, now the other thing that I want to talk about is this dotted 8th and 16th note that is happening right here. And you see how that's on an up bow? Okay, when you do that, when you're doing a dotted 8th with a 16th, this is an always rule. I love always rules. The 16th note is at the frog. So, to show you that, what we're going to do, we're going to do this fun little exercise called up, up, pluck. So you're going to go dotted 8th and 16th note. So 1 E and then pluck. I'll show you. 1 E and up, pluck. 1 E and up, pluck. Okay, get your instrument up. Try it. 1 E and up, pluck. 1 E and up, pluck. Okay, if that is difficult, stop the video right here and play that a few times until it's comfortable. If you're good with that, let's go on. We're going to go up, up, down, but make sure you get all the way to your frog to do that 16th note. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Okay, we're going to be using using that a lot, so take some time to really learn that. Okay, is there anything else we need to talk about on this? I don't think so. Let's just go ahead and play it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Get your frog. Here it is again, dotted 8, 16. Okay, did you feel that go to a C natural? Because now it's a C natural. Okay, good. And now we're changing back to 2 sharps. B flat, B natural. B flat, C sharp, fermata, hold. Go back to the sign. Coda. Okay, you can play along with the next video that you'll just be able to play the entire thing.